Hi viewers, welcome to Good to Know Info. This channel helps in knowing some good informations on various sectors. Please subscribe to our channel to know about our upcoming videos. In this video, we gonna discuss about trip to Wayanad from Chennai and some of the sightseeing places of Wayanad. Basically, there are various routes to reach Wayanad from Chennai, and it again depends on the mode of transport we use. By road from Chennai to Wayanad is 609 km and it takes about 11 hours via Krishnagiri, Bangalore and Mysore, which is shortest and best route too. Other routes are long when compared to this route. If we travel by train, again we have two routes. One is via Mysore and another is via Kozhikode, which is also known as Calicut, and both of these destinations have airports too. From Chennai, we have about 3 trains to Mysore and 4 trains to Kozhikode on daily basis, and I have provided the train numbers at the end of this video. We have 3 major towns in Wayanad, namely Sultan Bathery, Kalpetta and Manandawadi. We suggest to stay at Kalpetta, which is nearest to the places that we discussing in this video. Distance from Mysore to Kalpetta is about 138 km and from Kozhikode is about 74 km, and plenty of interstate or intrastate buses are available. Sightseeing. Wayanad have lot of sightseeing places. We discuss about some of the good places which is nearer to Kalpetta for a 2 days trip, as well as overview of some other places too. Let's see about the places. Banasura Sagar Dam. Banasura Sagar Dam is a largest earthen dam in India and second largest in Asia. This is a good place for boating and trekking. We could find both pedal and speedboats over here, and speedboats are considered to be the best to enjoy the view of mountains around the dam. You can also plan for a trekking into the deep forest of Banasura Hills. Also, we have a garden with kids play area. Pukude Lake. Pukude Lake is a beautiful natural freshwater lake surrounded by evergreen forest. The beauty and peaceful vibes of this lake mesmerizes the visitors. The lake has abundance of blue lotus and freshwater fishes. Pedal boats are available and boating in this lake will be a wonderful experience. You can also visit to the nearby freshwater aquarium and children's park. Meenmutti Falls. Meenmutti Falls is one of the delightful spots in Wayanad. The falls has 3 tier layers. We need to trek around 1.5 km from the main entrance to reach the 3rd tier of the falls. We will be having stairs to certain distance, and we need to walk on rocks with the help of ropes tied beside for support. This place is considered as one of the most thrilling places for adventure lovers. Karlad Lake. Karlad Lake is another beautiful freshwater lake located in Wayanad, and it is an adventurous place. We have zip lining, kayaking and zobbing, additionally with boating over here. Especially zip line across the lake will be a remarkable experience. Lakidi Viewpoint. Lakidi Viewpoint is the gateway of Wayanad. We could see it while coming from Kozhikode to Wayanad. This point offers bird's eye view of Wayanad hills and the hairpin bends of the hill. Suchipara Waterfall. Suchipara Waterfall is surrounded by evergreen forest. We need to trek for 1.5 km from the parking area to reach the falls. This will be an ideal place for rock climbing. The way from Kalpeta to Suchipara provides the view of some tea estates of Wayanad. Edakal Cave. Edakal Cave is located in 1200 meters above sea level in Ambakkutti Mala. To reach the caves, we have to trek through the Ambakkutti Mala. It will take around 45 minutes to climb the hill. There are 2 caves at the hilltop, but one of that was closed due to damages when we visited the place. The cave is 96 feet long and 22 feet wide. The pictorial painting in these caves are considered to be of 6000 BC, and you can see carving of humans, animals and objects used by them in the cave. Kuruva Island. Kuruva Island, which is located in middle of Kabini River and is densely populated with rich flora and fauna. The only way to reach the island is boats and rafts provided by Kerala Tourism Department. Prior permission from Forest Department is required before travel. Entry is restricted from end of May to mid of December, considering the rainfall will flood the river and increases the water level dangerously high. Chembra Peak. Chembra Peak is located at 2100 meters above the sea level. Trekking to this peak is organized by the Chembra Peak BSS. Total length of the trek to reach the peak is around 4.5 kilometers one way, and we find a heart-shaped lake at 3 kilometers of the trek, which looks very beautiful. Unfortunately, we don't have the picture of these locations. Hope Good to Know Info has given you an useful information about Wayanad. Thank you for watching the video. Here comes the day planner and the other details.